Good morning from Willows Beach in December. Full disclosure, it's been raining for what feels like 77 days straight here, and we finally got a break in the weather. So I threw the drone in the back of the truck and headed straight for Willows Beach to do some sunrise footage. I grew up near here and spent a lot of my childhood on this beach, whether we were skimboarding, skateboarding, hanging out at Cattle Point. We are always down here and usually at this end of the beach. I honestly think Willows is one of the most underrated beaches in Victoria. If you haven't been down here, I highly recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching. More West Coast episodes coming soon.